welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi. In today's video, I'm creating a soft pink purple holographic eyeshadow look. I hope you guys really like this video. For starting off, I did my eyebrows first by filling them in with this APK long lasting gel eyeliner in brown. Next, I used this WetNWild photofocus concealer in the shade medium deep tan and applied it in a generous amount on my lid as well as on the top parts of my brow, and using a flat brush I carved out my brows and spread the same concealer all over my lid to prime them as well. Today I'm using the colourpop Element of Surprise shadow palette and taking the shade Labyrinth, which is a skin shade, to set my concealer for the upcoming eyeshadows. As my transition shade, I use this color Details from the palette, which is a beautiful brown color, and applied it in my crease. Next, I used this shade Peace of Mind, which is a beautiful pink burgundy color, and applied it on my outer V. I kept packing the color and then feathering it outwards till the time I got the intensity I wished, and then did the same on the other eye as well. And with whatever was left on the brush, I just blended it inwards as well. Then with a cleaner blending brush, I blended the edges. Next, taking Opulent, which is a beautiful metallic lilac duochrome shade, and applied it all over my lids using my fingers. Using Peace of Mind to blend the outer edges of Opulent, and dragged a little bit of it in my crease as well. Next up, using Rayon as my highlighting shade on the underneath of my eyebrow as well as in my inner corners. Rayon is a beautiful duochrome. It shifts from pink purple to white, and it is just a fab color. Then on my lower waterline, I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Kajal in black and applying a thick layer of it, as well as tightline my upper waterline. Then I quickly curled my lashes and applied a generous amount of mascara. For mascara today, I'm using the Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal, and this is the waterproof one, and I applied it to my lashes, upper as well as bottom lashes, to give them a balanced look. And yeah, that's the final look. I hope you guys really like this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also let me know what do you think about this eyeshadow look in the comment section. I would love to hear them. I will meet you soon in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and keep trending.